will live above my situation. And I want to talk to you today that Peter, as long as his focus, his awareness was gazed upon Jesus, as long as he was looking upon Jesus, he walked on water. But Peter, being man, he started looking at the appearance. He started looking at the things that are outside. He saw the boisterous winds. He saw the aggressive storm. And when he now began to focus and pay his attention to the appearance, to the winds and to the waves, he began to sink. And these are the words of the Master to him. O ye with little faith. Because it is little faith that considers the circumstances. Today, I want you to take off your eyes of how big the problem is, of what is it that you need from God. I need you to now let your eyes search for Him. Let your eyes seek for God. Let your affection be placed on Him. Let your eyes gaze upon Him who is the author and the finisher of your faith. Child of God, we need to come to an awareness. We need to come to a realization of the God who dwells in us. And we need to